How to collaborate on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's jump straight into the process. Open your Instagram app. Here we go. You will land to the home page. Firstly, you have to make sure you haven't set your Instagram account to the private. For that, head towards your profile. Now at the top right corner, you can find 3 bars. Click on it. Select the option settings. Now head towards this option of privacy. At the very top, you can see this option of private account. Make sure you have toggle off for this option. After you do that, you can head towards your home page. Now at the bottom middle, you can find this plus icon. Tap on it. Your gallery will open up. Now from here, you can select the post that you want to use for collaboration. If you want to select multiple, you can tap on this option of select multiple and do that as well. And after you select the pictures, you can tap on next given at the top right corner. From here, you can easily add some filters and effects to your post and then tap on next. Now over here, you can find different options. Head towards this option of tag people. Here you can find this option of invite collaborator. Tap on it. Now at the top, you can see the search box. You can just type in the name of the person with whom you want to collaborate. After you are done, you can tap on done. If you want to add some caption to your post, you can do that from here. Likewise, you can add location. If you want to share this post to the Facebook, you can just toggle on for this option, share it to Facebook, and then you can tap on share given at the top right corner. It is in the process to be uploaded. Just wait for a few seconds. And here you can see that I just uploaded my post. The person whom you have invited as a collaborator needs to accept your post, and then your post will be shared to that person's profile as well. So this is how you can easily add collaborator on Instagram. I hope now you guys are clear about it. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.